is nearly 10 o'clock at night. I'm looking forward to going to sleep. Got my fire going in there. Pretty good fire. It's a pretty good fire going in there. Yeah. Alright. Anyway, yeah. It's been raining and snowing off and on. I'm catching some rainwater. I moved this over here. I caught a bunch of rainwater in here. So I did hear, a little earlier, I did hear some wildlife making some noises. But that seems to have calmed down now. It was kind of an eerie sound. I don't know what it was exactly, but it kind of did creep me out a bit. But it seems to have stopped now. I also heard something running over top of this tin back here. Have a look and see if I can see any footprints. Yeah, something's run across it. You can see right there, look at the footprints. I don't know what it is, but something has run across it. You can see the little footprints in the snow. Yeah. Maybe a little rabbit. Might be a little rabbit that's hopped across there. There's my Moo-Moo's grave. Hey Moo-Moo, I miss you, little girl. I love you. My Mooella. Yeah. My Moo-Moo. Alright. Well, I think that was it. Oh, there it goes. Don't know if the microphone picked that up. But, yeah. Anyway, yeah, that's where my Moo's buried, my Mooella Moo cow cat. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Oh my gosh. That's a dog barking. I think there's a dog being attacked over there by something. I don't like that. We have coyotes around here. Somebody's got their dog tied up outside over yonder. It's entirely possible that that dog is now being attacked and eaten by coyotes. I don't know. I hope that's not what it is. It's disturbing to think of it anyway. This is why I don't let Rocky be out at night, really, unless I'm out here with him. Like, there's times in the summertime especially when he wants to go out on a night hunt. And he gets pretty mad at me because I won't let him do it. But that's the reason. And after what happened to his sister Moo, Mooella, you know it too. No, I don't let him do that. Anyway, I gotta bring this in. This has been boiling now for about 15 minutes. So I think it's good. I'm gonna bring it inside. And, yeah. I wish you all a good night. Bye for now.